Hi everyone, it's Bobby Stearman here, and in this short video I will show you how to change the DNS name server on Ubuntu 18.04 on your DigitalOcean droplet. So let's jump straight into it. I've got MOBA Xterm open on my screen here. This is the SSH client that I use mostly when working with DigitalOcean droplets. The reason I like it is because it's got an FSTP panel that allows you to work with directories and files in the same way you would on your local machine, right? So that's why I like to use it, and it's very easy to use. So let's go ahead and change the DNS. So I'll sign into root on one of my droplets here. I'm going to need a passcode because I'm SSHing into it. So I'm looking at 18.04 here, and there's if you're looking to change DNS name servers on an older version of Ubuntu, then there's two different ways of doing it. So on an older version, you would go into etc and you'd find the, where is it, resolve.conf, and click into that. It'll open up a MOBA text editor and you would change the name servers here. But because we're looking at 18.04, we need a different way of doing it. So you go back into your parent directory here. You want to go into etc. You want to go into netplan, which is here. And there's a YAML file in there. So this is 50 cloud in it. Go into that. Again, it'll open up another MOBA text editor. And to change the name server, you'd want to do it right here. Okay, so you'd add as many name servers as you need here. Save the file and come out of it. And then all you need to do in the panel here is put sudo netplan apply, press enter. That is all you will need to do to change the name servers on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been valuable for you. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.